Hey man, we just pulled up to the lot. We on the XSR, man. Supposed to be some people out here. We'll see about that. But yeah. First wheelie, switched to Enoch, got a little weird, put it back. It's all good, all good. Let's get some wheelies though. Ooh. I ain't gonna push too hard today, so it's probably gonna be, I mean, not boring. We're gonna try to make it as exciting as possible, but. Touch the headlight, touch the tank, throw the arm around, touch the tank again. Switch to Enoch. Ooh, it's a little windy, man. I'm getting pushed. Lean it to the left. But yeah, it's not gonna be boring, but I'm definitely not gonna be pushing myself too hard today. My arms and hands are really tired. I worked really hard all day yesterday, so yeah, we'll see. Nothing crazy going on today, but you know. Messing around, a little choppy action. Longest Enoch one-hander I've done ever. Forever. The wind, man, God damn it. Like I said, this wind blowing like crazy, dog. Had me going towards the edge. I'm not doing that. Smash into the curb, hit the tree, roll, slide. No thank you. No thank you. The Harleys are Harleying. Such a good dog. He just sits right there where he needs to. So well behaved, man. We got hella bikes out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
M's in my bank account. Yeah.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bikes out here. Good.
Hell yeah.
Learning. Maniac. That thing's so loud. Oh my god. I should have kept it up and turned with him, man. Damn. Still going. Still going. hyped on the one hand knee knock progress. That's really all I've been doing today. Sorry if that's a bit boring, but hype, man, hype. Keep your fucking eye out for other riders, man. If that starts to get busy, you gotta know what you're doing, know where everyone's going, man. Boy's going right through the water. Woo! What a maniac. Why'd he do that? I touched the fucking fender. Boy. I touched the goddamn fender. I ain't never did that before. Tired hands, man. Yeah, I'm touching the fender from now on, man. What the hell? I didn't know I could do that. I never thought about it. Whew. Oh my God. I was having some fun there, doing real good. I almost just took myself out, man. Ooh, doggy. Alright, YouTube, this is gonna be the end of the video. We are gonna go home and eat and work on the house. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, you know, help pay for this gas. I'm joking, it's $7, but it can help pay for other things, man. Y'all want me to get a handbrake? I need more subscribers. No, I'm playing. But drop a like, man. Drop a comment, and yeah, definitely subscribe. Gone.
Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine.